Hi, I'm Lauren Coulter with the Coulter Castillo Group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to my newest listing, 2012 Black Bear Way in the Neville Park community of Bridgeville. Come on in, let's go check it out. This townhome boasts a beautiful kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. And this kitchen opens to both the dining room and living room with hardwood floors going throughout. My favorite spot in this entire house is this giant bay window with storage underneath. This is the perfect spot to curl up with a book or take a nap on a lazy Sunday. On the second floor, you will find a laundry space, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, including this amazing master bedroom with an ensuite bath and custom walk-in closet. One of my favorite things about this community is not only the maintenance-free living, but the fact that you can use the pool and the clubhouse as a resident. Also, Hilltop Park is steps away from here and the perfect place to go for a quiet run or a long walk with your dog. Thank you for touring this home with me. If you'd like any additional information or if you have any real estate related questions, please reach out. Again, I'm Lauren Coulter with the Coulter Castillo Group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Thanks for joining.